Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can reset the Frigidaire Affinity washer or like Frigidaire washing machine. So how you're gonna do it is that there can be multiple ways how you can do it. The first thing, ensure the washer is powered on idle. Press and hold the cancel button and start button simultaneously for about 3 seconds. And you want to release the buttons. The display shows a series of lights and error code. Wait for a few seconds while the washer resets to its factory settings, and the display may go blank during this process. After the reset is complete, the washer should be ready to use. You can set your desired wash cycle and start a new load. Also, important thing to know is that you can also completely unplug it and plug it back in, and you just want to wait wait like 5-10 minutes and then plug it back in, or if you can unplug it, then turn off the circuit breaker. Have a great day and good